It's a 2017 Lincoln MKC. No matter what path you're on, you'll stay composed in this Lincoln MKC. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice activated climate controls, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com highlights the sharp, distinctive styling, spacious cabin, powerful and fuel-efficient engine, and cutting-edge electronics. Lincoln, this is your comfort zone. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.